Hey guys, Vintage G here, and today I'm gonna be talking about a Robot-7 from 1970s. They made other versions from the 50s and 60s, but this one's 70s. So it's a wind-up one. I don't know. It does work. It works like that. Yeah. So it's 10 Robot-7 on the back. It's really cool. It's worth about $30. So on both sides it looks the same. We got this side, that side, that side. Well, it's a really cool robot. It's part of my robot toy collection. So, hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and push the like if you liked it. Bye guys.